Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Thank you for tuning in. My name is Amar, and on this channel we review a variety of sneakers, and those mostly being of my favourite pairs and those mostly being of Nike branding. Right, so I will just start off with a short introduction. If you are new along here, please make sure to like, share, comment and subscribe. Please make sure to smash that notification bell and stay up to date with any of my videos. And with all that out of the way, let's just start off this video and we'll go ahead and look at the actual box. So we do have this Nike SB box. Now this is a orange label box, so it is not your standard sort of Nike SB sort of brown colorway. You have a orange swoosh, your Nike text branding. You do have an orange swoosh at the side of the box. Right, so if I just go ahead and read off the box label for you guys. The box label reads Nike SB Dunk Low Pro, and it's an ISO. And the colorway is court purple, court purple. That is your box label. So here is your first look on this channel, the Nike SB Dunk Low Pro, and it's in the colorway of court purple. Right guys, so what I tend to do in these videos, I try to cover certain aspects of the sneaker. So we'll have a look at materials, we'll go ahead and talk about sizing, and I'll talk a little bit about availability. Starting off, I do tend to start off at the top of the sneaker and I then work my way down, so I will go ahead like that. So if we just go ahead and look at your toe box, you have a leather toe box on your front of your sneaker, and your side panel is also of a leather panel, which is in a very nice leather material in that white colorway. You also have it along your ankle collar, pretty clean. And then your overlays, which is on your mudguard and your lacing panels and your heel panel, you all have those purple sort of suede hits. Pretty neat, really nice premium materials. And on your heel tab, you do have a purple heel tab with your Nike branding in that white stitch. We're looking at your laces, you have white laces. And your tongue, you have a nice padded tongue, quite standard for your SB dunks. This is a nice thick tongue. You have your orange label tongue tab with your Nike and SB branding in that grey text, and a orange swoosh, orange label tab, a purple colour. Don't know if you're getting that, with your orange label Nike SB branding, which is in orange, and your Nike SB branding in a white text. And then if we're just looking at your midsole, you have a nice white rubber midsole, which is pretty nice, really nice. And also with it being an SB, you do have your heel pods, which is in the heel portion of the sneaker. It did also come with these set of laces, which were attached to the right side of your sneaker. It's called purple SB shoelaces. Same sort of thickness I'd say with the OG laces. Go ahead and look at your outsole. You have this nice gum rubber outsole. You do also have your file on foam unit in the midfoot, and that's in that purple colorway. About it really, to be honest. Pretty nice really, in my opinion. The materials are quite premium, really nice materials for your overlays, and same with your leather panels. It's pretty decent. It's good. You know, when it comes to SBs, they do tend to deliver. So if we're just finishing up and we just go ahead and talk a bit about sizing. Now I tend to go true to size. Do consider with the extra padding in your heel counter, it can be quite snug. There's always another thing to consider because the tongue is quite padded, and that can be another factor also to consider. But I just go true to size. They do fit quite snug, I don't mind it. But if you are a skater, it obviously is for that. That's for your sizing. A bit about availability. Now I did say it's a ISO in skate shops only exclusive, so they don't get out on sort of sneakers app or Nike app. You have to actually check in with your local skate shop. Now there are actually ways of doing that. You can sign up with sort of like IG accounts, so you can check on IG what skate shops are around where you live. Otherwise you can actually get these from like eBay or StockX and other platforms like Goat, Lace, maybe a reputable reseller these sort of routes they can go by. Other than that, they do tend to release on your local skate shops, go mostly in raffles because they are quite exclusive. They don't just release them as the shop because it can cause a bit of mayhem. IG is your probably best bet. Right guys, so I do believe I've covered most of what I said I'd cover in this video, so if you have stuck around, I appreciate your support, and if you have been following me, do please stay tuned for part 2 of Rewind. I do have a load of sneakers which I would obviously love to share with you lot. Still went away for sort of like 9 months. Do please stay tuned in for part 2 of Rewind, and with all that out of the way, I hope to catch you in the next one.